Cosmic Painting, Lesson Number 1. Hey, this is your first art class, and we've missed having you at school, so I wanted to start off with something really fun. So we're going to start off with painting. I just need to remind you of a few things with painting. You always need to clean in between. Do not mix the colors. And please be kind to the paintbrushes. Don't smush them. Just be gentle and sweep them across the surface of your paper. And finally, just have fun! This project has multiple steps. Today, you will at least do step 1 and you might get to step 2. Step 1 is painting your cosmic background. Take your large sheet of paper and put your name on the back along with your teacher code. The teacher code is the first letter of your teacher's last name and your grade level. For instance, I put D5 for Dunbar, 5th grade. Using tempera paint, fill your entire page with color. You're going to be painting the night sky, so you'll use black, blue, and purple. You can blend them together and thin it with water as needed. Blend the colors together as you're filling the entire surface until you get the desired effect that you're looking for.
Wow, the music's really cool. The music is really incredible.
Now for the fun stuff. It's time to splatter and drip your white paint all over your painting. You're going to do this low and carefully so that you're only splattering on your own paper. It looks really cool, like the nighttime sky with the stars and the comets flying through the air. Finish splattering your night sky, and once you're satisfied with the way it looks, set it aside to dry. If you have time, we'll move on to step 2 today, painting your planets. You have 5 small pieces of paper. Put your name and teacher code on the back of each of them. Looking at your color wheel, you'll notice colors that sit next to each other, like the yellow, orange, and red, or red-orange. They're called analogous colors, and we will be painting one of our squares with analogous colors. Analogous colors look beautiful together. They have a natural harmony, beauty, and balance. So go ahead and blend them and play around with those colors. Add water to see the different designs that you can make, and just have fun. On another one of your squares, I want you to use complementary colors. Complementary colors sit across from each other on the color wheel. For instance, orange and blue, like I'm using. Complementary colors make each other pop when they sit next to each other. When they're blended, however, they create a neutral brownish black. So go ahead and use a complementary color set. On another square, I want you to paint it however you want, but make sure it's wet and fluid, because once you're finished painting it, I want you to sprinkle salt on top. Salt will crystallize and create some really cool texture and pattern and design.
Yeah.
On another piece of paper, you're going to use something that's called a dry brush stroke technique, which you're going to make sure that your paintbrush is relatively dry and just dab it all over your paper to make cool texture and design. And then you can actually take your paper towel and dab at the paint that you've created to just make some more cool texture and design. On your final piece of paper, you can do whatever you want. I decided to splatter, but you can splatter, you can drip, you can just paint away. So have fun with it, enjoy it. Can't wait to see your cosmic designs. If you didn't have time to finish your cosmic paintings, that's okay. You'll have time the next art class to finish up. However, if time is up, you need to clean up, put everything away, and put your painting somewhere to dry.